On the fourth shot, most players constantly try to keep their opponents back, and that is our goal, but that is dependent on the quality of their third shot. If I'm already at the kitchen, my partner has returned the serve, and they come up and join me, my opponents are now hitting a third shot drop, right? And if they're doing things properly, the non-hitting partner will be moving slightly ahead of the hitting partner. If the third shot drop is coming to me and it's a good quality third shot, I can't take it out of the air, it's not high bouncing, and it's something I really can't attack, my opponents are going to be moving through transition, right? So at that point, what a lot of people do is they continue to try to keep them back. That ship has come and gone. They've hit a really good shot, they're moving forward. We as players at that point on our fourth shot, we can no longer keep them back. Our shot selection, or where we can hit the ball and what we can do with the ball, the choices shrink exponentially in that situation. So there's a couple things we can do, and all of them require us to be able to hit a ball back to our opponents. It doesn't need to always be hard, but it has to be something that they're hitting off the ground at their feet or out of the air at their feet, not at their knees or their thighs or their waistline. Because if the ball is left up and we try to keep them back as they're moving forward, they're just going to counterattack us with their momentum coming forward and put us in a lot of trouble. So the fourth shot drop and what we're doing with that shot is far more important to keep that fourth shot unattackable than it is for the third shot to be unattackable. Because on the third shot, if we leave it up and it's unattackable, we're already back in the court. We can stay back there and play defense. If I'm up at the kitchen, I leave a ball up and someone comes forward or poaches across and hits it, I have very little time to react, and I'm probably going to lose that point or that rally. Very important to choose the correct choice of shot and location on our fourth shot. If it's a good shot, just go short angle at their feet to help make them hit a ball, to reach for it or bend down to hit it. Don't try to keep them back anymore. That is not going to be able to be possible.